Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix power button not working problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So how you can fix it friends, you can see if you just press the power button and it is not working, so how you can open and turn off your screen, I will tell you in this video. So you have to watch till end. Right in the setting, double tap. You can just firstly go to this system. As you can see, system, click on this option. So as you can see here, it is accessibility. Tap on here and enable accessibility menu, enable that feature. So here it will be the shortcut that is added to your home screen. Click on that feature, click on power button. From here you can enable this power menu and you can do power off, restart, lockdown, emergency, whatever you want. So by not doing this, not using this power button, instead you can use these shortcuts. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.